Good morning students. Up to the last lecture we are studied about the anomalous behavior of water. Okay, this is just an introduction of anomalous behavior of water. In that we studied in between 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius. Okay, if we heat water at that time there we see somewhat different nature of water as compared to other liquids. Okay, if we see generally liquids at that time we have seen one case that if we heat any liquid at that time up to some extent, as we increase the temperature, expandation in their volume is takes place. Okay, when we heat a liquid or supply heat. But in case of water up to 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius, instead of expanding, what happen? Decrease in volume of water takes place. Okay, and so that somewhat different nature of liquid, that is the water in between 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius, is simply called as anomalous behavior of water. Okay, so now today we have to study the anomalous behavior of water by using Hope's apparatus. Okay, so this is the apparatus which is we are seeing in this diagram, that is the Hope's apparatus. Okay, now what are there in the Hope's apparatus? Just look at, very simple, one cylindrical tube is there in between. Okay, then one cylindrical bowl is fitted at the middle of this cylindrical tube. Okay, look at one cylindrical tube is there which is placed vertically, then one bowl is there which is fitted at the middle position of this tube. Okay, so then here two thermometers are there. Okay, we call it thermometer first and this is the thermometer 2. Okay, and here this bowl is used to place this freezing mixture. Okay, freezing mixture is nothing but the mixture of ice and salt. Okay, due to that it have temperature less than 0 degree. Okay, so such a way that we place here freezing mixture. Here two thermometers we have to use for that. Okay, this cylindrical tube and this cylindrical bowl also we have to use. Okay, now what happened or what we have to do in this experiment, that this cylindrical tube, okay, in that we have to fill up water. Okay, first we have to fill up water in this cylindrical tube from here. Okay, then we have to place this ice and salt, that is the freezing mixture, in this bowl. Okay, now initially, okay, when we start the experiment, at that time we will see what the both thermometers will show us same readings. Okay, because temperature of water remains same initially. Okay, now but when we place here freezing mixture, okay, at that time what happened, this, due to the presence of freezing mixture around this water, what happened, it, that water which came in contact with this freezing water, okay, actually not water but this glass bowl which is came in glass tube which is came in contact with this freezing mixture, due to that what happened, temperature of water is fall, which is present over here. Okay, look at what happened here. One bowl is there. Okay, in that bowl we place freezing mixture. Okay, so here we place freezing mixture. Okay, so due to the presence of that freezing mixture, okay, whatever the water present here in middle position, at that time what happened, temperature of this water decreases. Okay, look at, initially we take water which is at room temperature. Okay, but this middle part of this tube is came in contact with this freezing mixture. Due to that what happened, the temperature of water which is present in contact of this bowl which is decreases. Okay, and due to that what happened, here we see, okay, initially this T1 T2 temperature is equal. Okay, but after some some time, what happen? We will see that temperature of thermometer 1, okay, which is present in this downside. Temperature which is we are shown in temperature first, that is thermometer first, it is decreasing fastly. Okay, look at what happened due to the presence of this freezing mixture. What happened? Whatever the water came in contact with this mixture, temperature of that water decreases. Okay, and due to the decrease in temperature, what happened? That water is moved towards downward side. Okay, so this temperature of thermometer first initially decreases fast. Okay, initially thermometer T1 temperature decreases fast. Okay, so here what happened? Due to the presence of this freezing mixture, what happened? Whatever the water came in contact with this region, that will be moved downward side because its temperature decreases. Okay, so this temperature rapidly falls. Okay, continuously rapidly falls up to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, this temperature of thermometer was 1 falling continuous up to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, 4 degree Celsius. Okay, so up to 4 degrees Celsius, the temperature of thermometer 1 become very fast. Okay, so as this temperature 1, thermometer 1 reach 4 degrees Celsius. Once when 4 degrees Celsius, temperature of thermometer 2, which is present at upper side of this cylindrical tube. Okay, so as it reach 4 degrees Celsius, then rapid falling temperature in thermometer 2, which is present in upper side, is start. Okay, as it reach 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, as this thermometer 1 reach 4 degrees Celsius, then when once it reach 4 degrees Celsius, then rapidly fall in a temperature of thermometer 2 is start. Okay, then what happen? Then after reaching thermometer T1 4 degrees Celsius, then temperature in thermometer 2 start falling rapidly. Okay, start falling rapidly. Okay, at the 4 degrees Celsius, its a temperature reach. Okay, at that time we see rapid change in thermometer 2. Okay, so at once time, okay, so temperature of thermometer 2 also start to fall now. Okay, and one position will come at that both these thermometer have same temperature. Okay, that is how much? 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, 4 degrees Celsius. Once that time will become, at that time both the thermometer will show us 4 degrees Celsius. Now when they both show same temperature, again this water is again contact with this freezing mixture, and this freezing mixture has a temperature less than 0 degrees Celsius. Now again, whatever the water which is present here, temperature of that water is start to fall now. Okay, then now here initially what happened when we start this experiment, both meters have same reading, same temperature, okay? That is the room temperature, 30, 27 degree or whatever it may be. But as we place freezing mixture, temperature of this downward side thermometer start to fall, okay? Up to when 4 degrees Celsius it falls rapidly. Now as it reach 4 degrees Celsius, then we see rapid fall in thermometer 2, okay? So there are, again it will reach 4 degrees Celsius. Now both are same. Now what happened, that we have to see now, okay? As both reach 4 degrees Celsius, then whatever the water which is present here, that will become more cold as compared to 4 degrees Celsius, okay? So it have less temperature because of freezing mixture. So it will move towards upward side, okay? And after some time we will see that T2 will reach 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius, okay? 0 degrees Celsius. After some time we will see this T2 has 0 degrees Celsius, but this T1 still remained at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, look at what happened. Initially it start up to rapidly 4 degrees Celsius, then after it reach 4 degrees Celsius, this T2 start to fall up to 4 degrees Celsius. Rapidly fall in temperature takes place up to 4 degrees Celsius. When both are become at 4 degrees Celsius, at that time, then rapid fall in temperature of thermometer 2 takes place, that is up to 0 degrees Celsius. And then after it reaches 0 degree, then temperature of thermometer will start to fall and it reach 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so actually what cases happen here, okay? Due to this, first rapid fall in thermometer T1 takes place, then initially it is slowly temperature of thermometer 1 is falling, okay? But now as both reach 4 degrees Celsius, then rapid change in thermometer T2 takes place and it reaches 0 degree, and then as it reaches 0 degree, then after some time it will, that is the thermometer 1, reach 0 degrees Celsius, okay? So both are not reach first 4 degree at the same time, also both below 4 degrees Celsius, both are not reach at the same time 0 degrees Celsius, okay? So that is the case we have to see here actually how this is happen, okay? Look at initially what happened, okay? Initially what, here we place water which is at room temperature, okay? But as this water came in contact with this freezing mixture, due to that what happened, its temperature fall, okay? And as the temperature falls, what happened, density of that water increases, okay? Density of this water is increases, which is in contact with this freezing mixture. Due to the increase in density of this water, it will move in downward side, okay? Due to the increase of density, this water which is present here, that will move in downward side. So that is why initially this thermometer temperature decreases fast, okay? This thermometer temperature decreases fast. So as it reach 4 degrees Celsius, we know at 4 degrees Celsius what happens, density of water is maximum. Density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. We know that yesterday see one graph. You see volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is the least. So that is why, and we know density is the ratio of mass upon volume. So density of water is a minimum at 4 degrees Celsius. So once it reach 4 degrees Celsius, so whatever the water present here that have most density, okay. So and we know if density of a substance is high, that will be sink in water. So as compared to this upper water and lower water, okay, this is at 4 degrees Celsius, it is at somewhat more temperature, 10 degree or 12 degree temperature, whatever it may be. So due to that, as compared to this water, this lower side water has a temperature 4 degrees Celsius, means its density is maximum. So that down, that what happened, whatever the water present over here in this contact with thermometer first, okay, here density of water is maximum. So now what happened, now as it becomes 4 degrees Celsius, whatever the water present here, okay, that will be, now that will not move toward downward side, okay. So due to that, temperature fall in this upper side is takes place, okay. So again it will reach 4 degrees Celsius, okay. Now both having, now what, this is also at 4 degrees Celsius and this is also at 4 degrees Celsius, okay. Once the temperature of both the thermometers are equal, okay, then what happen now, okay, then what happen, here water came in contact again, water whatever the present here, temperature of that water which is in contact with this freezing mixture again start to fall, okay. And we know below 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, okay, below 4 degree, again what happen, density of water increases, okay. As temperature decreases below 4 degrees Celsius, density of water decreases, okay, means volume increases. So due to that, this water will move towards upward side, okay, when temperature is less than 4 degrees Celsius, okay. So now whatever the water moving toward upward side, that having temperature less than 4 degree now, okay, this is remain at 4 degrees Celsius, okay, because whatever the water present here which is of higher density, okay, and which having temperature 4 degrees Celsius, but now here whatever the water came in contact with this freezing mixture, okay, temperature of that water will be fall below 0 degrees Celsius, okay, and as below 4 degrees Celsius, and its temperature fall below 4 degrees Celsius, means its density decreases, so it will move towards upward side, okay. So whatever the water which is moving toward upward side which having temperature less than 4 degrees Celsius, so that is why again falling temperature of this thermometer too is takes place, and once it will reach 0 degrees Celsius. Now when it will move towards 0 degrees Celsius, what happen here, again its temperature is 0 degree T2, but now still this thermometer T1 has a temperature 4 degrees Celsius, okay. So here what happen, it has temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Now once it reach 0 degree, then ultimately falling in temperature of this thermometer 1 is takes place, and after some time it will reach 0 degrees Celsius, okay. So here what happened, due to the changing density of water, okay, whatever the water came in contact with this freezing mixture, first density of water increases, so that is why water move downward side, that is why fast change in temperature of this thermometer T1 takes place, up to when, up to first 4 degrees Celsius, again after some time it reach 4 degrees Celsius, but once as it reach both thermometer 4 degrees Celsius, then what happen, below 4 degrees Celsius, what happen, density of water decreases, so this water move up to upward side, Then what happen? Initially fall in the temperature T2 takes place up to 0 degree. Okay, and then finally this downward water, what happen is the temperature downwards fall up to 0 degree Celsius, such a way that by using this Hope's apparatus we can study anomalous behavior of water. Okay, and this phenomenon of different nature of water 0 to 4 degree Celsius is called anomalous behavior of water. Okay, so this is about Hope apparatus and its experiment. Remaining part we will see in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.